Odoo tutorial, how to use pipeline and CRM on Odoo. Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use pipelines and CRM on Odoo. So basically, this is a platform where you can arrange. It's not any kind of CRM platforms out there because of the latest update that they have just implemented over the past months, which is like October. They added a lot of features like chatting features, video calling features, and stuff like that. And you don't even need to like have a third party app just to do video calling with your workmates anymore, because they already have it implemented right here. So now there are a few ways to start. There are two ways to start, using Odoo. It's by, starting now, and then it's up to you if you want to meet an expert, and if you want to have a deeper understanding of what Odoo is, just go ahead and click this one over here, and then they'll let you meet with an expert from their company as well. Now, this is an app for every need. As I said a while ago, they already have like a chatting service, a video calling service, where you can go ahead and meet your workmates right away while working on other stuff. Now, a lot more options are available, but basically, if you want to go ahead and sign up, just click on Start Now, and it's free. There's a free trial version of this one. Go ahead and click this Start Now button right there. And once you click that, you just have to enter like a few stuff, like for example, the company name, stuff like that, your personal information. But before you do that, you actually have to choose your apps over here. It really depends on what type of business you're working on. Like if you are working in a human resource or marketing, website, manufacturing operations, or sales. Now for this, we'll be exploring about CRM. So let's just go ahead. After that, you can go ahead and click continue over there. And once you click continue, you will have to enter your details like this one. I've already done this, and now I'm in. So once you've done inputting your informations, right here is the different apps that you can access from. It works just like a dashboard or like an interface in a mobile phone, because you have here icons that are separate icons with different features. Now we just use CRM right here, and then let's try to explore how it works. All right. Now if you want to create a new pipeline right here, just go ahead and create right here. And if you want to generate leads, you can go ahead and click this one right here. Now to generate leads, you should go ahead and input this details right here. So it says companies and their contracts. It's either one of these two. Countries, industries, filter on size, and sales team, salesperson, and default tags. Now you can go ahead and generate leads right here, and then it will show you a pool of information from Odoo. And yes, that's it. To create a new lead, just go ahead and tap this or click this create button over here, and then let's try to create one. Now 24 travels opportunity. Now let's go ahead and input my number over here, and then expected revenue is let's try and put in like a $500 right there, and let's add it. Okay, now once you've added a new opportunity right here, you can see immediately that the amount over here adds up. Now you can go ahead and if there's a new proposition for this particular lead right here, if there are adjustments that you need to do with this particular lead over here, you can just go ahead and click this one right here and click on edit. Now once you click on edit, you can add in more internal notes over here and extra information right here, such as other stuff like this one. You can see here address, website, language, contact name, job position, mobile, and stuff like that. And internal notes, you can go ahead and type in here the things that is supposed to be done in this particular lead. Okay, and let's go ahead and just click save. All right, so now let's go back to the pipeline right here. And this is a new lead, right? So if the lead is now qualified, you can just drag this right here and then put it over here. Now once you've done that, the amount automatically gets added over here. Now looks like there's nothing planned. So if you want to do and try to schedule any activities for this particular lead, just click this clock icon right here and then schedule an activity. Now let's try to schedule an activity right here. Now you can choose activity type between email, call, meeting, to do, upload a document. Now let's set up a meeting. Okay, so now you can now put here your summary and discuss the proposal over here. Maybe you can just put stuff like that. Now I'm just gonna put things like that. And done, and you can schedule next, or you can choose to discard. Now let's open calendar. There you go. Once you open calendar, it will show you this particular dashboard right here. And this is where you can input all the activities that are needed to be done with that particular lead. Okay, so now if there's a new proposition right here, you can go ahead and duplicate this. Click this one, and then action, and then duplicate. Okay, once you've duplicated this one, you can actually edit the name of the duplicate. 24 Travels Opportunity, second proposal. Let's try to put in second proposal. Okay. Now let's save, and there you have it. Let's check out if it's already there, the duplicate. All right, you can see now that once you duplicated this particular lead right here, it will move to the new column right over here. And then if you want this new lead to like be here under this one, you can also go ahead and see this, right? The amount over here. Now, if you put it here, it will also add up right there. Okay, so now if basically it works just by dragging stuff like that. And if you've already won like a new lead, you can just go ahead and put it here, and then put them down there as well. And there you go. So this is basically how pipeline works on Odoo. It's really easy. It's easy to follow, you guys. It works just by dragging and dragging. You can also add in columns right here if you want to add in more categories over here. Just click on add a column right here. Now, because we have more time, I just wanted like to guys show you some amazing features as well, such as discuss right here. Now, this one is where you manage your messages, like for example, messages from your workmates and stuff like that, from new leads and stuff like that. And then you can also access chats over here. Okay, this one is not this one is meant for like chatting with your workmates and talk about stuff like going on in the company. And this one is more like a a more formal feature, or a more formal way or like spot inside the app where you can go ahead and schedule meetings and send messages, formal messages to your workmates as well. Now let's go to the apps, and we can see here there are a lot more options to choose from, such as sales right here. Okay, so now it's a completely different layout right here. You can see here a timeline, which lets you go ahead and input a lot of details, such as company data, quotation layout, order confirmation, sample quotation, and stuff like that. And we have a lot more apps, such as CRM. Oh yeah, of course we've done this already. Contacts, calendar, and a lot more. If you want to add in more apps, just go ahead and click this one right here, and then you can install all these apps right here, such as website, inventory, accounting, purchase, point of sale, project, e-commerce, manufacturing, email marketing, timesheets, expenses, studio, and a lot more stuff, you guys. Really huge amount of applications that you can choose from. All right, so that's it for this video, you guys. I hope this has been helpful, and you can go ahead and explore how to use their pipeline right here. It's really easy. If you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comments below. And that's it for this video, you guys. See you again in the next video, and peace out.